Hello friends, it's nailsbyrey and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm creating these press-on nails using the X Jelly gel colors sent to me by Born Pretty. So sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. Alrighty, so I'm starting off with my almond shaped press-on nails on my nail stand, and I'm going to start off with the thumb finger, and I'm going to apply a layer of base coat to that nail, and then I will cure that under my nail lamp for 30 seconds.
No, just happy jeans. We ain't doing none of normal things. So you know what formal means? Critics saying that I lost the plot. Principles, yeah, I'd rather not. Messy, about to come in hot. We gon' fuck up the world. Excuse me, but is that your girl? Didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile. Don't ever tell them you met me, girl.
So these are the three gel polishes that I'm going to be using today. There is a semi jelly, a glitter jelly, and a milky jelly shade, and I will be using all three in this nail set. And also, please check out my previous video where I swatch and review these gel polish shades. You can use my code nailsbyrey on the Born Pretty website for 10% off your order. The link is in the description below.
Trifling hoes, you ain't did nothing, I don't know. It's cool, baby, I'm too high pro, I'm baby Keem, I wouldn't call it close. Messy, get them girls off the stage, cause somebody's gonna get taken, somebody's gonna invade on a one-on-one conversation. I'm drugged off from the world, I'm immersed in the PlayStation, and I ain't worried about her, it's 1,000 hers out waiting. We gon' fuck up the world, excuse me, but is that your girl? Didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile, don't ever tell them you met me, girl. They gon' think that you rep me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. Famous, but I'm not for sale. Why you tryna possess me, girl? I mean, you know what upset me, girl. Was like that when you met me, girl. Cause he'll put you in princess shoes. Elevate your respect, you too. Here's 10K, I'm in a sexy mood. Don't let the homies touch you, move. Yeah, niggas know that I'm...
Okay, now I have 2 coats of the Milky jelly down. I'm using my glitter jelly. This is a really pretty glitter green jelly shade that I'm obsessed with, and I was like, I have to use this in my nail set. So I had no idea what I was planning on doing, but I just took a little bit of it and I put it in the center to kind of create a bit of an aura design. And then what I did was take a blending brush that typically is used for ombre designs, and I feathered it out on all sides of the nail. I was just experimenting with this jelly shade when I did this nail set, but I'm really happy with how it came out. I basically used this brush to brush it out, and I brought the glitter to all other ends of the nail. So the center is more concentrated with the green shade, and it fades out over the pink towards the edges of the nail.
Tennessee, I try to get back. Told it, swim up to 6. Fuck it so good, need to check. The beam on the back of the tech. My island bitch shoot it the best. Correct.
So after creating that little part of my design, I'm going to use a layer of base coat and brush it over the nail, and then cure that under my lamp for 30 seconds before I begin the next part.
That's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur.
I decided I wanted to use blooming gel and do like a dotting tool type of style with the blue jelly, and I poured some of this blue semi jelly gel polish on my mixing plate so that it's easier for me to grab, and I'm going to use my dotting tool to create dotting patterns all over the nail after I've applied a layer of my blooming gel. So I'm applying the blooming gel right here, and I actually had to do this twice because I messed up my first attempt. What I did was, I didn't really use it wrong, I just didn't like the design I had created. And typically I usually edit these parts out whenever I mess up and I have to redo parts of my nail, but I feel like it's important to include these things in these nail videos because I'm not an expert. I am a self-taught nail artist, and I create these videos for other people to either watch for fun, for pastimes, or listen to it like a podcast if they want to, or even just to learn off of my videos. So I don't want it to seem that I am perfect and that I get it right on the first try. I rarely do, and so I really think it's important to include these mess ups in my videos.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON.
Now that I've used all three of the nail polish colors, I'm going to top coat it with a no wipe top coat.
Baby, all I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. Babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know
So I don't know how to leave well enough alone, so I did not leave the nail set as it is, and I decided I wanted to use my favorite gel polish color at the moment and use it inside of these little 3D molds that I have. So I have like 5 different flower sizes, and I'm going to put this gel polish in these molds that I have here and cure them under my nail lamp for like 60 seconds.
dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably coincide. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge.
Now I have these little 3D charms that I created. I'm going to bend the molds to kind of take them out. You can also use a tweezer, which is what I'm using, so that you don't end up bending and breaking it. But I was so happy that they came out like this, because this is one of the very few times that I've used molds to create 3D designs or to create like little charms, because I was struggling to find flower charms. Out of all the million charms that I have, I couldn't find flower charms that would work with the set, and I thought, why don't I use these little 3D molds and use the green jelly that I'm obsessed with? So that is what I did, and I'm so glad I decided to do that. So basically what I'm going to do is use rhinestone glue to adhere these charms down, and I'm going to do this for like 2 of my nails.
I never got here on a plan B, big plan B. Yeah, brush you again, then I might brush you again, hey, then I might brush you again, hey, then I might brush you again, hey, I told her free, it's a crowd. I'm in the airplane above the ground. I can't throw it.
Since I used gel polish to create these 3D flowers, I'm going to go over them with some top coat.
In town, you only need me when I'm in town. In town, in town. Yeah, brush you again. Then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, hey, ah.
So after I finished the flowers, I was getting a serious ethereal fairy core vibe, something like a mystical garden. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it, but I said, you know what, I have the perfect butterflies for this set. Now I usually always use my silver butterflies and I have 50,000 of those. But I actually dug up these little iridescent ones and I thought they were so cute and they fit the vibe so well. Now the only finger that didn't have any charms or rhinestones on them was the pinky finger, and I couldn't leave her by herself, so I said, you know what, let's use some pearls. One thing about me, I'm always gonna add more and more stuff on my nails. Like seriously, check out previous nail sets where I blinged them out. Those nail sets were supposed to start off with just 5 gems, 1 per nail, and I just ended up with a full blinged out set. I can't help myself. But these pearls are super cute and I thought that they were a perfect little touch for the pinky finger. And just like that, the nail set is finished. So you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and thank you Born Pretty for sending these awesome products. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out. I sure did. So if you do, please be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel, and I will see you in the next video.